In this video, we will learn about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. On the basis of nuclear organization, Doherty classified cells into two types, that is, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. The term prokaryotic is derived from two words, that is, pro and karyon. The word pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. So the prokaryotic cell is a primitive type of cell in which a true nucleus is absent and one envelope system of organization is seen. One envelope system of organization means there is a single envelope around the cell and no envelope is there around the cell organelles. Next is our eukaryotic cell. The term eukaryotic is also derived from two words, that is eu and karyon. You already know the meaning of karyon, that is nucleus, and eu means true. So the eukaryotic cells are with true nucleus, with envelope, nuclear envelope, and two envelope system of organization is seen. Now let us discuss about the prokaryotic cells. We will deal with prokaryotic cells by taking bacteria as an example. A typical bacterial cell consists of cell envelope, cytoplasm, nucleoid, and surface appendages. First, cell envelope. Cell envelope is the protective covering which is consist of three layers, that is outermost glycocalyx, the middle cell wall, and the innermost cell membrane or the plasma membrane. The glycocalyx is composed of polysaccharides. When the glycocalyx is thick and tough, it is called capsule, but it is called slime layer when it is loose. Next is our cell wall. Cell wall is the middle layer of cell envelope. It gives shape to the cell and prevents from bursting when it is present in hypotonic solution. Next is our cell membrane or the plasma membrane. It is the innermost layer of cell envelope. It is semi-permeable, quasi-fluid dynamic membrane. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is granular crystallocolloidal complex which fills the whole prokaryotic cell excluding the nucleus. Cytoplasm contains mesosomes, ribosomes, chromatophores, inclusion bodies, and plasmid. Next is our nucleoid. Nucleoid is the genetic material of prokaryotic cells. It is the circular double-stranded DNA which is naked. The nucleoid is attached to cell membrane directly or through the mesosomes. Next, our surface appendages. Bacteria has two types of appendages, that is flagella or pili. Now let us learn about the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are found in all eukaryotes like protists, fungi, plants, and animals. The shape of the eukaryotic cell is both variable and fixed. The variable type of cell is found in amoeba and white blood cells. The fixed type of cell is found in most of the plants and animals. Eukaryotes consist of cell wall, which is absent in animal cells, cytoplasm, plasma membrane, nucleus, and other